One of the things you have the ability to do in QuickBooks is send statements to your customers. A statement is basically a gentle reminder to your customers that they owe you some money. Typically, statements are sent at the end of each month and they show the activity that happened during that month. You don't have to send out statements, but it's a nice little feature to keep your customers abreast of what's going on with their account. Let's go ahead and flip over to QuickBooks and we'll see how statements are created. When you're ready to create statements for your customers, just go to your navigation pane and choose the New option. Over here where you see Other, if you look down, you'll see Statement. The first thing you have to do is pick a statement type. You can choose a balance forward, any open items for the last year basically, and then you can also choose a transaction statement. I'll choose balance forward. For the statement date, you generally want to pick the end of the month. That means that in this case, the start date would be January 1 and the end date would be January 31. For the customer balance status, you can choose all, open, or overdue. I'm going to choose all and then apply. And these are all of my customers who met the criteria. They call this the recipients list. If you're looking down this list and you see one that you don't want to send a statement to, just come over here and uncheck the box. Now when you're ready, you can print or preview these down here in the middle. I'm going to click on print or preview so that we can see what a statement looks like. Now I'm going to have one here for each customer. You'll see as I go down the list, there you go. And for each one, you're going to be able to see all of the activity for January 1 through January 31. The first thing you'll always see is the balance forward from the previous month. Notice up here it tells you the total due, and there's a place where the customer can actually send you a check, and if they want to type in the amount closed or write it in right there, they can do that. And then down at the bottom of the statement, it shows you how much of this is in the currently due category, how much is in each of these categories, and then again the total over on the right. And that's what a statement looks like. You can pick any date range you like when you're creating statements. If you just want to send one to one customer, you can do that, but that's an overview of what statements look like and how they work. I'm going to go ahead and close this, and you really don't need to save and send this. Once you've printed these out, you can go ahead and just X out at the top, and then it's ready and you can print them the next time. Well, let's go ahead now and look over in section 9 and talk a little bit about how a new feature of QuickBooks called Tags is going to work.
If you're not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. To get a free QuickBooks Online Essential Keyboard Shortcuts infographic, click over there. And click over there to watch more QuickBooks videos from Simon Says It.